Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is customer service. As more businesses go online, the demand for remote customer service representatives is skyrocketing. If you're good at communication and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Zendesk or live chat. Many companies pay $15 to $30 per hour for customer service roles. To stand out, focus on delivering excellent communication and quick solutions. You can find jobs on platforms like remote.co or Indeed. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is UI/UX design. Every website and app needs a user-friendly design, and if you're creative and detail-oriented, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Figma or Adobe XD. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per project, depending on the complexity. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Third is market research. Businesses need insights into their target audience, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies make informed decisions. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for market research services. To stand out, focus on delivering actionable insights and clear reports. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Fourth is writing. From blogs to social media posts, businesses need high-quality content to engage their audience. If you enjoy writing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of SEO and content marketing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per article, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Finally, let's talk about ebook writing. If you're knowledgeable in a specific topic, you can write and sell ebooks online. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many authors earn $100 to $5,000 per ebook, depending on the demand. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and well-researched content. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad to sell your ebooks. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose customer service, UI/UX design, market research writing, or ebook writing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.